Who's the better AI? ChatGPT or Claude? Find out. What we're going to do is put these two AIs head to head. Who can make a better game? Who can make a better essay? Who can do better homework? Let's do this. So let's see if we can make a game. First off, Claude. Create a game where I fly a spaceship and blow up rocks like asteroids. All right, let's see. It is generating. All right, it's doing this with React. Let's take a look at the game it generates. One thing that's pretty cool is that it will put it here in this preview window. We can shoot the rocks. Oh, I can move my ship around. It kind of floats a bit. Not really too fond of that, but all right. Nice proof of concept. Now let's see how ChatGPT does with the exact same instructions. Okay. It's telling us how we can conceptually make it and different game engines you can do it. Okay, so this one's going more step by step in how you'd like to do it. So, okay, I want a prototype type I can run in my browser or with Python. Let's do that. See what it picks. All right. So here's the ChatGPT version. Doesn't seem to really shoot or look like the same one. All right, so this one I'm giving the point to Claude. All right, so next let's see who is the better creative writer. So let's ask Claude, write an engaging story of 3 paragraphs about this game, the pilot on his quest to destroy asteroids. Right? Let's see what it tells us. The Asteroid Hunter. So it starts off with Commander Sarah Chen on the controls of her Star Weaver X9. It's talking about the ship's thrusters, targeting computers, sang out. Okay, already I could see it's using very cool, engaging language. It's looks pretty good. It's giving her the name of the ship, talking about chaos into order. All right, very creative. All right, let's see how ChatGPT does with this prompt. All right, the vast expanse of the galaxy, stars are glittering. He got tasked with a mission. Okay. Dense, colossal. Kale's weaving his ship. Okay, not bad. It is using some creativity, some flow. I'd say they're pretty similar, but I'm liking the language a little bit more on Claude. It sounds a little more natural and a little less AI-ish. So I'm going to give this point to Claude. All right, let's see if these LLMs can search the internet and get up-to-date information. So search the internet and retrieve latest stock prices and outlook for NVIDIA. All right, as you can see here, it doesn't have access to the latest data. It has everything up to its knowledge cutoff of April 2024. All right, let's test it out for ChatGPT. Same prompt. Make sure you click this button here to force a web search. It's searching the web, pulling live data. As of November 29, today, you could see the stock price and giving us a stock analysis. And really cool here, it is giving you the links to where it got it from. So live web search, live links, references to what it pulled. Really cool. This is definitely a point for ChatGPT. Okay, so next, let's see which one is smarter than an 8th grader. So let's take some 8th grade geometry homework. And we're going to send this over. Let's see if it can read geometry. So let's see if it can do these first 10 questions. And let's see how Claude does with this one. I'm going to paste a picture, send it over. All right. It has identified all of them. Cylinder, cone, sphere, rectangle, pyramid, cylinder again, cone, cube, triangle, pyramid. Looks good. All right. Let's try ChatGPT. Here are all the names: cylinder, cone, sphere, rectangle, prism, pyramid. Let's see, 6 is a tube. Okay, cool. Inverted cone, 8 is a cube, 9 is triangular pyramid, 10 is a cube, transparent depiction. 7 was an inverted cone. Did it say it was an inverted cone? Okay, so very small distinctions. I'm going to give this one the ChatGPT by a hair. Both really good, but very small distinctions. That could maybe get you an extra point or two. Oof. I hope my 13-year-old doesn't use this for all his homework. What other comparisons can we do? For example, what do they cost? Both cost the same. They're about 20 bucks a month. They both have free plans. They both have apps. Now, I have seen that with the paid plan, you have virtually unlimited chat with ChatGPT. With Claude, even with the paid plan, there are some limits. So even though it does shine in some things like creating games, creative writing, you have to be a little economical with how much you prompt it. I haven't had too many problems with it yet in terms of limits, but it's something to be aware of. And then, are there any features that one has that the other doesn't? Well, ChatGPT has what it calls an advanced voice mode. So we'll try it out here. It uses kind of like a natural talk. So turning it on. Hey chat, say hi, you're on camera.
Hey there. Hi everyone. Glad to be here.
Awesome, thanks. Catch you later.
Anytime, Jorge. Catch you later.
It's really cool because you can interrupt it, you can stop it, you could have very natural conversations, and it'll do all this stuff that we've gone over in a really natural way. So that's a really cool point for ChatGPT. And then for Claude, it has the concept of projects. So in ChatGPT, every conversation is by itself. But in Claude, you can make projects. And in there, you could put all the files you want to work with. So let's say, for example, you want to write in your style. You can attach copies of emails, essays you've written, and it will search those every time you talk to it and use it as context. You could also do the same thing for making games, building code. You can put all of your art, assets, different things, and it'll help you work with what you have. So that's a point for Claude there. So really, at the end of the day, there's no one best AI to rule them all. It's going to be what is best for your use case. I encourage you try them both out. They're both really cool. They both have free versions. They both have apps. See what works for you, or use them both. Till next time, everybody, enjoy.